Juggling different accounts for savings goals, emergency funds, and everyday spending can feel overwhelming. Maybe you're a budgeting pro, meticulously tracking every penny across a spreadsheet of accounts. Or perhaps you're like most of us, constantly searching for ways to simplify your financial life. If you're considering Ally Bank, you might be wondering, how many accounts can I even have with them? Can I open a separate account for every dream vacation and rainy day scenario? Spoiler alert, there are limits, but they're probably more generous than you think. Let's dive into the details and explore some alternative strategies to keep your finances organized. Ally's account arsenal. How many can you wield? Ally Bank offers a variety of accounts to suit your financial needs. But before we get carried away dreaming of a virtual vault overflowing with accounts, it's important to understand the restrictions. Here's the breakdown. Interest checking accounts. You can hold a maximum of 3 Ally Bank interest checking accounts. This gives you some flexibility for separating everyday spending from, say, a bill pay account. Savings and money market accounts. Ally allows up to 10 savings or money market accounts. This lets you categorize your savings goals, whether it's a down payment on a house, a new car, or that epic trip to Fiji. Certificates of deposit, CDs. You can go wild with CDs. Ally lets you hold a whopping 40 of these. CDs are a great way to lock in a higher interest rate for a specific term, so having multiple options allows you to strategize for short and long-term goals. Important caveats: don't get disqualified. It's important to note that these limits apply to all accounts where you're an owner or even a signer, like on a joint account or a custodial account for a minor. Also, IRA accounts, individual retirement accounts, are a whole different ballgame. These have their own regulations, so the limits we discussed don't apply here. But wait, there's more. Maximizing your Ally experience. So, you might not be able to have an account for every color of the rainbow, but with 10 savings accounts, you still have plenty of room to categorize your goals. Here are some creative ways to make the most of those slots. Themed buckets. Ally offers savings buckets within a single account. This lets you virtually portion your funds into different categories within your main savings account. Think of it like having mini accounts inside a bigger one, perfect for tracking that dream vacation or emergency fund without opening 10 separate accounts. Joint accounts. Ally allows joint ownership on accounts. This is a great way to save together with a partner or spouse for a shared goal, essentially doubling your bucket within a single account. CDs for different needs. Remember those 40 CD slots? This lets you lock in different interest rates for different time frames. Aim for a mix of short-term CDs for easy access funds and long-term CDs for future goals. The takeaway: organize, don't overwhelm. The key is to find a system that works for you. While Ally allows a decent number of accounts, remember, simplicity can be your friend. Utilize Ally savings buckets and joint account options to maximize your organizational potential. Ultimately, the goal is to feel empowered by your finances, not bogged down by a million logins. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.